The 2024 Suzuki GS1000G is revolutionizing the motorcycle industry, proving to be a formidable rival for its competitors. Featuring advanced technology, improved performance, and a stylish design, this bike is primed for market supremacy. With cutting-edge electronic systems and meticulous engineering, the GS1000G offers exceptional agility and power. Riders will enjoy an exhilarating journey, effortlessly navigating corners with its innovative suspension and responsive handling. More than just a bike, this modern engineering marvel asserts its dominance on the road. Overview of the 2024 Suzuki GS1000G. Suzuki has excelled with the 2024 GS1000G, presenting a thorough revamp that harmonizes visual appeal with potent performance. The refreshed styling showcases a contemporary, dynamic appearance, with crisper contours and a sleeker profile. The GS1000G is driven by an enhanced 999cc inline-4 engine, delivering a blend of power and fuel efficiency. Advanced electronics, such as the latest 6-axis Bosch IMU, guarantee a potent yet remarkably seamless and secure riding experience. Major upgrades and improvements. The 2024 GS1000G features various significant upgrades. The addition of electronic suspension, featuring semi-active Showa forks and rear shock, delivers exceptional comfort and versatility. Riders can easily transition between soft and firm settings with a simple button press, suiting different riding scenarios and preferences. Additionally, an improved braking system ensures enhanced control and stopping capability, essential for maneuvers at high speeds. Performance, handling, and capabilities. When pitted against competitors like the BMW S1000XR and Yamaha Tracer 9 GT+, the GS1000G stands strong. Its performance shines with a polished engine, ensuring quick acceleration and impressive top speed. Handling is noted for its precision, particularly at higher speeds when the electronic suspension kicks in, delivering sharp steering. The GS1000G is bolstered by advanced features like traction control, cornering ABS, and various riding modes, enhancing its overall versatility for city commutes and adventurous weekend journeys. A formidable and disruptive force. The upgrades found in the 2024 GS1000G position it as a strong contender in the motorcycle sector. Its technological progressions not just enhance safety and performance but also establish a fresh benchmark for rider expectations in this category. The motorcycle's capacity to effortlessly combine comfort, speed, and cutting-edge characteristics shakes up the industry, prompting rivals to reassess their approaches. Industry perspectives. Industry experts are already praising the GS1000G. Michael Neves from Cycle World lauds the bike's sporty, superbike fast characteristics and its impressive day-long comfort. Suzuki representatives reinforce this stance, with one emphasizing, "The 2024 GS1000G epitomizes our dedication to innovation and excellence." It is crafted to provide riders with the utmost experience, be it a long tour or a quick city ride. In conclusion, the 2024 Suzuki GS1000G transcends being merely a motorcycle. It stands as a declaration of technological advancement and exceptional performance. With its notable enhancements and outstanding capabilities, it is poised to establish a new standard in the industry, compelling rivals to strive to match its level.